Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the Bose TV Speaker, a soundbar that promises to elevate your home audio experience. With its sleek black design, Bluetooth capabilities, and HDMI-ARC connectivity, this soundbar is both stylish and functional. First, let's talk about setup. The Bose TV Speaker is incredibly easy to install. Just connect it to your TV using HDMI-ARC for seamless audio control, or you can use the optical input if that works better for your setup. The included remote control makes it convenient to adjust settings without getting up. Sound quality is where the speaker truly shines. Bose is known for their rich, immersive audio, and this soundbar is no exception. The clarity of dialogue is outstanding, making it perfect for watching movies or shows where you don't want to miss a word. Plus, the bass response is impressive for a compact soundbar, adding depth to your audio without overwhelming the clarity of voices. Another great feature is the Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to stream music or podcasts directly from your smartphone or tablet, giving you versatility beyond just TV audio. Whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing at home, the Bose TV Speaker delivers a great sound experience. The design is minimalistic yet elegant, ensuring it fits well with any home decor. It's not bulky, so it won't dominate your entertainment space while still providing a powerful sound output. Overall, the Bose TV Speaker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their TV audio. With its easy setup, superior sound quality, and added Bluetooth functionality, it offers great value for the price. If you're interested in improving your home audio experience, click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.